Hello, Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, and Rising. So, ito yung reading para sa'yo. Love reading to, ha? Pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Pero, kung makarelate ka, pwede rin naman hindi 100%. So, bahala ka nang ilagay ang sarili mo sa sitwasyon. By the way, this is general reading. Hindi siya personal. If you want, pwede kang magpa-personal. Sa akin, friend, hindi po ako open sa personal reading for now. Jing Tarot Reader, search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Let's start. This is for Sagittarius. Take only what resonates. Ma-appreciate kung kayo ay magko-comment, magla-like dito sa video. Kahit po heart-heart lang, smileys, malaking bagay sa akin yung comments ninyo. Kung ayaw ninyo ng ganitong klaseng reading, hindi ko naman po kayo pinipilit. Pwede po kayong mag-next video na lang. For the sign of Sagittarius. Eight of Wands. Okay. Three of Cups. Nine of Cups. Nakakita tayo dito ng pagbabalik. Like maybe ng person. Maybe the person in the past. Maybe family. Kasi with the Eight of Wands, there's this family vibe. Or tinuring mong pamilya. Or maybe may kinalaman sa past mo. Like dating kapitbahay or what. But anyway, yung pagbabalik nito mga taong to, with the Nine of Cups, nakakita tayo dito ng like fresh start para sa'yo. Okay? Kung ano man yung mga magugulo sa buhay mo, pwedeng high chance na itong taong to, makatulong siya na malagpasan mo yon, or makatulong siya na magkaroon ng growth sa'yo, or makatulong siya na kung ano man itong magulo na to, maayos mo. Okay? The Empress is also here, showing at the bottom of the deck. This is like feminine energy. So, hindi naman yung past person could be family, pwede rin namang mother figure or someone na pwedeng inidolize mo or what, but there's a feminine energy sa taong to. So, pag-usapan natin yung patungkol sa love. Kuha tayo ng main energy ng person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love. You do have here the Seven of Cups. Some of you, marami ka choices. The Magician is here. Pwede may kinalaman sa, yeah, this is Virgo energy. So, pwedeng someone na nagwo-work or could also be a healer or nagwo-work ng may kinalaman sa panggagamot. Pwedeng ganon. Anyway, kahit wala, okay. This could be a person in the past. The Tower, pwedeng nag-end na yung sa inyo. But, some of you, actually, iba-iba eh. Yung iba, this could be a new person or there's a new beginning para sa'yo kasama itong taong to, or whatever is mag-e-end sa inyo, maybe mas mapupunta siya into a deeper level of commitment, connection. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng marami kang choices or marami kang kakonect. But there's this particular person na would help you grow, no? Pagdating sa usaping financial or pagdating maybe sa mga magugulo sa buhay mo, like this person has this high energy of a Virgo, like kaya kong i-organize, ayusin yung mga magugulo sa'yo. So, like maybe a friend na kung kailangan mo ng mag-aayos, magpaplano ng future for you, then I can help you. So, may person dito na pwedeng makatulong sa'yo. For Sagittarius, please. The Sun is here. I can see you being happy here with the Devil, Capricorn energy. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, King of Wands, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with the Ten of Pentacles. be careful. I can see you na pwedeng may mga tao kang ma-manipulate. Like, they will listen to you, they will magbe-benefit ka sa mga taong to eh. But in a way, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, lumabas yung uh, like white lies or pagsisinungaling at times para makuha mo yung simpatsya nitong taong ito. The Page of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or maybe may kinalaman sa child. But I can see na pwedeng mag-work out nga para sa iyo ito dahil I can see money for you. And nakikita natin na ito ay positive, magbibigay ng happiness para sa iyo. Pero in a way, yung iba, pwedeng magsalta or magsabi ka ng white lies or kasinungalingan para mag-benefit ka dito. But as long na wala kang tinatapakang tao, Page of Swords is here. Ace of Wands. I can see a new beginning or a new person. May young energy itong person na to. Queen of Pentacles, King of Cups, Two of Wands. So, yung iba, if you want to, Nine of Pentacles is here. Well, if you want to get pregnant, high chance of pregnancy. Pero kung hindi ka ready, I highly suggest magsuot ka ng like contraceptives kasi I can see there's a possibility of pregnancy here. Or if you're a man, high chance na maka-aksidente or makabuntis. Anyway, nakita tayo ng new beginning with regards to this person. Or yung iba sa inyo, kung hindi ka naman naghahanap ng love, kasi yung iba ganun eh. Nakita tayo dito ng offer na may pwedeng mag-asawa, offer ng mag-asawa towards you. So, what will happen in the near future for you, Sagittarius, pagdating sa love? The Star is here, followed by the Hanged Man and the Ace of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles, the Queen of Wands, Five of Cups, the Moon. So, sabi ko nga sa'yo kanina, if you are this Sagittarius na may ginagawa kang kalokohan, nagsisinungaling ka or what, there's a high chance of pagbabalik ng mga ginawa mo na yan. So, be careful. Be careful. Huwag kang gumawa ng mga bagay na ayaw mong bumalik sa'yo. There's a possibility of pagbabalik. Like with the Hanged Man, nakikita mo it's nakabaliktad. It's like an energy of something na ikaw lang rin naman ang naglagay sa sitwasyon mo dyan. Or if not, sa ibang paraan, pwedeng bumalik sa'yo yung mga bagay na yon. So, be very careful. Okay? Five of Pentacles, some of you, there's a loss of money here. So, yung iba naman sa inyo, yan, the Five of Cups is also here. So, dalawang five na ito. So, there's this big change. Ayan, lalo na with the Moon. Kung ikaw itong nagsikreto, nagsabi ng or may mga ginawa kang alam mo na hindi maganda, pwedeng bumalik sa'yo. It's bad karma. So, be careful. And also, there's a new beginning na pwedeng ibigay or i-offer sa'yo, pero kailangan mo maghintay kasi pwedeng may kakulangan pagdating sa usaping pinansyal. So, ayun. Kailangan lang hintayin, but there's a new beginning for you. Maybe yung iba new beginning na makapag-travel or maybe new beginning na may kinalaman sa career or pera. pero parang kailangan lang muna maghintay. So, etong paghihintay na to, pwedeng ito magdulot ito ng lungkot sa'yo kasi, of course, mahirap maghintay. Lalo na yung iba, hindi mo sure kung kailan. So, yeah. That's it for now, Sag. Thank you for watching. Pagdating sa love, wala tayong masyadong nakita pa dito. But anyway, hopefully ay nakarelate ka, nakaresonate ka pa sa ating reading. Maraming salamat po. I love you all and bye-bye.